Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the former video, we have studied about the cystosome, that is polycystosome and monocystosome with respect to the concept of gene, right? So in this video, without delaying, we'll study about the another concept of gene, that is the split gene. Split gene. As we already know that gene is nothing but the segment of DNA and also the unit of inheritance. But here the new word has been mentioned, that is the split. So what is the split? See, for example, as we all know that the transcription way, the different RNAs can be formed with the help of the DNA and also the RNA polymerase, right? And that way, a particular RNA, that is mRNA, in order to get this complete mRNA, this particular mRNA has to go, or it will undergo a modification called, that is post modification or the post transcriptional modification. So in order to get this complete mRNA, a particular stage or form of RNA, that is called as hnRNA, will be there. It is just like a transition stage. Clear? So this hnRNA will give us the complete mRNA. Clear? Yes. Well, this hnRNA is the best example for having the split gene sequences. See, have a look over here. If this is our hnRNA, this complete hnRNA will be having the two sequences on it, that is the coding sequence and the non-coding sequence, where the coding sequence are nothing but this segment of RNA, clear, where it will be having the capacity to code for the different amino acids, whereas the non-coding sequence, it doesn't involve itself in any of the coding process, clear. So the coding sequences can be represented here with the help of the linear lines, clear, whereas the non-coding can be represented by the 8. So again the coding and the non-coding. So like this hnRNA will be having the coding sequences, non-coding sequence, coding sequence, non-coding sequence on it, clear. So this coding sequence is named as exon. Coding sequence is named as exon, whereas the non-coding sequence is called as the intron. Again, the coding is called as the exon and the non-coding sequence is called as the intron. So this particular arrangement which is having the exon, intron, that is coding sequence, non-coding sequence, coding sequence, non-coding sequence, is called as this particular arrangement is called as the split gene. Clear? It is just like the breakup patch, clear? So this arrangement can only be seen in the eukaryotes, but not in the prokaryotes, clear? So this may come for your MCQs also, please do remember that. Yes, of course, this split gene can also be seen in DNA also, clear? So split gene is nothing but the arrangement of the sequence of DNA or the RNA which will be having both the coding sequence and non-coding sequence, clear? For example, in our classes, even you people will be there, right? Some of will be very active for the cultural activities also, right? Where some of them, they won't be active or they won't be having any interest in both the cultural as well as the academic plans also. Yes or no? Yes. So I think you all got about the split gene. So now we'll go with the another type of or another concept of gene, that is the regulatory gene. What it is? That is the regulatory gene. So what do you mean by regulatory gene then? Have you heard the word? Yes, of course, I think so. You people will be familiar with this word, that is regulatory, regulation, regulating. Yes or no? Regulator. So what do you mean by that? Here, as we know what is gene, right? So what is this regulation or regulatory? Well, this regulatory or regulation is nothing but having the impact over the other or influence over the other, or we can simply say having the control over the other. Clear? See, as it is a regulatory gene, obviously It is nothing but the segment of DNA. See, have a look over here. If this is our double-stranded DNA, specifically having a regulatory gene, yes or no? So if I say that this is the regulatory gene, as I have mentioned, what this regulatory gene will do? It will control over the other genes. What it will do? It will control over the other genes. So what are those other genes then? See, if we have this transcriptional unit having the promoter region, structural gene, and the last, that is the terminator, right? With this specific structural gene region where the actual transcription will be taking place, right? Where there will be a different enzymes can be given, right? So this regulatory gene, what it will do? It will control over these structural genes. Clear? For example, lacoperon, okay, it's the best example where in the lacoperon the 3 specific enzymes are given by these structural genes with the help of this regulatory gene. So just remember that regulatory gene is nothing but those are the genes which control over the structural genes. Why they should control? Why? There should be some need, you know. Why they'll control is to form up the former or the normal functions where each structural gene has to perform their activities. For example, see, for your convenience I can give the example of, okay, if at all in the absence of your teacher or lecturer, what you will do? The people will be shadowed over the classroom, right? You will be talking, chatting, and you will be doing all so and so, right? In that same time, if your CR, that is class representative, if he or she comes and controls over you or regulates over you, it will come under their control, means the noise will be quite lower, right? So in the same way, this regulatory gene will act as the CR in order to control the noise you people are making, and here in order to not to alter the function which these particular genes has to do. Clear? So this is about the regulatory gene. So with this I'll conclude this video, and in the next video we are going to learn about the different types of RNA. If at all you are aware about the different kinds of RNA, kindly do mention those types of RNA in the comment section, and at the same time, if at all if you find my videos are useful to you, please don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you one and all. Have a good day. Bye bye.